Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. And today I wanted to show you, I didn't get to film yesterday, so I wanted to show you what I wore yesterday. This is Envy's Alyssa Petite. So I just wanted to show you, I didn't get to film the try-on, but this is what I wore yesterday. I made her mine. She was just a little fluffing up and things like that. So I just wanted to show you that. But today I'm wearing this Amazon wig with a headband with its ombre look. So it kind of really goes with the maize colored. So that's what I want. But I do have Rowan here on the side just in case we have a flap. So I have a couple of different ones. I have brown. I have a dark green because of my sweater. I have a little purple because of my sweater, see right there. And then I have another brown. I think I'm gonna wear this one, but that is what I'm doing. So I just wanted to show you the cap. So it's just a basic cap. It's got the two cones in the front, and then the back, I think I broke it. So I have these straps strapped together. You've got basic wefting ears, and an extended nape. Let me, if I could get to it. I got the hair all wrapped around it. Sorry guys. Yep, so a little bit of extended nape with just wefted nape. Okay, let me see what we got for stretch. Yeah, it's super stretchy. And I did cut, so I cut all of this part out here because it sticks up to make it flat. I cut that all out. So that is something that I did to this wig. All right. So I am going to take this off. Whew, I'm sweating in here. And I'm going to put this on my head first so that we can put it up easy. Oh, I gotta take this off because it's too hot in here with the door closed. Okay. All right, so this is my sweater with, I'm probably gonna be way too hot at work, with those maize colored pants on I have. And I have brown shoes on. All right, so let's put her on. And I don't think I needed to use the hot comb to put her top down. So let's see. Okay. Isn't it beautiful? I know it's an Amazon wig, but it's beautiful. Look, it's not that long. You know, probably that long in back, and I'll show you that in a minute, but like in the front, this is not that long. All right. So let's take this and pull it up. Yep, that's all I'm doing. That is all I'm doing. That's it. Yep, that's how I want it. Looks gorgeous. I love it. So you don't even have to worry about it being an Amazon wig. It hides most of it. Got a little bit showing there. Let me show you all sides. Let me show you the back. I don't know if you can see the length. And then the side. Okay, that's it folks. I'm gonna let you know how she did tonight, you know, as far as getting really knotted and, you know, things like that. Clumping up, all kinds of stuff like that. But this is what I'm wearing today. An Amazon wig that I paid under $20 for. Love it. All right, guys, have a good day. I will see you tonight. Oh, I'm going to take a picture of it, what it looks like with the outfit, and then I'll see you tonight, okay? All right, guys, here is my outfit. I do have that other sweater because I don't want my behind showing. So this is what it looks like with my outfit. So very nice. I am liking it, loving it. And quick turn around. And that's it. Hi everyone, this is my wig at night. So I combed her out once, I think, during the day. I loved it. I loved this today. I mean, it's, you know, it's all clumping up together now. I mean, it's an Amazon wig. So this is what she looked like at night. I think it still looks decent. You know, I loved the headband. You know, to me, it looked probably, with the headband, I think it looked more real than some of the name brands, to be honest. But, you know, obviously this got to be combed out now. It's all clumping up. So that's it. This is the Amazon wig at the end of the day. I will definitely be wearing this more often. I have a couple of them in different colors. And with the headband, I love the look. I love the style. You know, I love it all around. Oh, got some of that. But yeah, so this is, oh, I look terrible with no lipstick on. This is it. This is my end of the night for my Amazon. All right. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. I'm at 277, so I never thought I would even get this many subscribers. So just again, I really appreciate you guys. And if you're watching and you didn't subscribe, hit that button. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, hit the don't like. But yeah, thanks for watching my channel, watching my videos, and coming to my channel and supporting me. All right, I will see you in the next one. I got some more hair mail today, so tomorrow I'm going to try to film everything and catch up. All right, thanks guys. Bye.